हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल बी डिस्कस अबाउट नोटिस राइटिंग। ओके, आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या है? नोटिस राइटिंग कैसे करते हैं या कैसे लिखते हैं नोटिस को। पहले पढ़ते हैं नोटिस क्या है। अ नोटिस इज़ अ फॉर्मल मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। द पर्पज ऑफ अ नोटिस इज़ टू अनाउंस और डिस्प्ले इंफॉर्मेशन टू अ स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल। नोटिस एक फॉर्मल मीन्स है कम्युनिकेशन का। Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards, either in schools, educational institutions, or in public places. Notices issued by the government appear in newspaper. Notice is a formal means of giving information and of communication. Basically, the purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. It is a formal receipt of paper that provides specific information. Notices are generally meant to be pinned upon specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. There are various types of notice, each of which has different results. Generally, notice deals with information that a party knows or should have known. In this context, a notice is an essential element of the due process. The notice can also refer to commonly known effects that a court of an administration agency may take into evidence. Contents of a notice. Always write a notice in a box. हमेशा नोटिस बॉक्स में लिखना चाहिए नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, institutions or office issuing it, date of issuing of a particular notice. The heading notice is make to it very clear. A suitable description, eye-catching captions or heading to hold the immediate attention of the reader. Purpose for which it has been written, like calling a meeting, drawing attention, making an appeal of information general public about some issues of concern, etc. Details of schedule, date, time, venue, program, duration, etc. The information given to party directly is called actual notice. The two kinds of actual notices are express notice and implied notice. An individual is deemed to have been given express notice when she actually reads it or hears it. An implied notice is deduced or inferred from the circumstances rather than from direct or explicit words. Courts treat such information as though actual notice has been given. फॉर्मेट एट अ ग्लांस। इसका क्या फॉर्मेट होता है, इस तरीके से देख लीजिए। नोटिस का ABC कंपनी, यहाँ पर डेट है, नीचे नोटिस सब्जेक्ट लिखा जाएगा, फिर यहाँ पर बॉडी एंड कंटेंट, नीचे है लास्ट में साइन, नेम, डेजिग्नेशन। इस तरीके से हम नोटिस तैयार करते हैं, यानी नोटिस राइटिंग लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं। इस तरीके से पूरा नोटिस तैयार हो जाता है हमारा। Notice writing introduction. How do we communicate? One to one, one to many for a period of time. Important contents क्या है? Name of the organization issuing the notice, टाइटल का नोटिस का टाइटल, कैची हेडिंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस द सब्जेक्ट, डेट नोटिस की, बॉडी ऑफ द नोटिस, राइटर के साइन, नेम कैपिटल में, डेजिग्नेशन। इस तरीके से स्टार्ट करते हैं नोटिस के ऊपर नोटिस हेडिंग, फिर वो उसके जो लिखना होता है नोटिस में वो लिखेंगे, सिग्नेचर, नेम, डेजिग्नेशन। पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर। 5WS क्या है? 5W व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, यानी कोई इवेंट। वेयर इट विल टेक प्लेस, वेन्यू लिखना है, वेन्यू का नेम। व्हेन इट विल टेक प्लेस, कब लिया गया, डेट और टाइम लिखना है। हु कैन बेनिफिट फ्रॉम द इंफॉर्मेशन, क्या लाभ हो सकते हैं, या हुम टू कॉन्टैक्ट। ओके, ये 5WS आपको रिमेंबर रखने हैं नोटिस राइटिंग करते समय। नोटिस राइटिंग ये एक तरीके का सैम्पल है। ओके, आपको अरेंजमेंट करना है इस तरीके से एक नोटिस राइटिंग ये एक फॉर्मेट है, दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल न्यू दिल्ली, फिर नोटिस लिखा गया है, उसका बॉडी है, बॉडी में ये सब लिखा गया है। ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ नेशनल साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी डे द स्कूल हैज डिसाइडेड टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ फेयर। ऑल ऑफिस वेयरर्स आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू अटेंड अ मीटिंग इन द स्कूल लाइब्रेरी। डेट लिख दी है और टू डिस्कस द अरेंजमेंट फॉर द फेयर, लास्ट में साइन है। कुछ और पॉइंट्स रिमेंबर कर लेते हैं नोटिस लिखते समय। अ वेल रिटन नोटिस शुड इन्फॉर्म द रीडर्स अबाउट द 5 WS, जो हम आपको बता चुके हैं। द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट शुड ओनली बी रिटन। AOD any other detail given in the question. Can add any other information freely even if not asked in the question. Sentences should be short and grammatically accurate. Should be in a passive voice as far as possible. The notice should be presented in a box. द वर्ड लिमिट, इस तरीके से बॉक्स में नोटिस लिखना होता है। द वर्ड लिमिट फॉर द नोटिस इज 40 या 50 वर्ड्स में लिखा जाना चाहिए। The information in the notice should be clear and should not cause any misunderstanding or confusion. The notice should be catchy and appealing. It should immediately attract the attention of the reader. You can increase the visual appeal of your notice by using bold letters, catchy slogans, striking words and phrases. कुछ नोटिस के टाइप्स पढ़ते हैं। टेंडर नोटिस, किस तरीके के होते हैं नोटिस? द टेंडर नोटिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन नोटिस दैट अपीयर डेली इन द न्यूज़पेपर। They are given by the different departments of the government, semi-government departments, NGO and private institutions. The tender notices are a kind of invitation to the firms to quotation their prices for doing some work like construction of a building, road, electrification, etc. It may also be related to supplying of various items. सम टेंडर नोटिस आर वेरी शॉर्ट। कैसे होते हैं वो? शॉर्ट होते हैं। सम अदर डिटेल, कुछ डिटेल में होते हैं। द डिटेल्ड कंडीशंस आर नॉट जनरली गिवन इन दीज नोटिस। द फर्म आर आस्क्ड टू नो द डिटेल्ड टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस फ्रॉम द ऑफिस कंसर्न। Next, public notice. These notices are for the general public. It is widely disseminated through broadcast media such as newspapers, radio, television, etc. School, college और university notice होते हैं। These notices are of 3 types: admission notice, vacancy notice for the students. The first 2 types of notices are published in the newspaper, whereas the third type is not. They are just put on the school, college or university notice boards. Legal notice होते हैं as mentioned earlier under constructive notice. Police notice होते हैं, different notice are issued by the police like notice about the missing person, notice for the identification of dead bodies. Constructive notice. A constructive notice is an information that the court deems an individual should have known. According to the rule of law, which usually applies in such cases, the court presumes that the person knows the information because the person could have been informed if proper diligence had been exercised. Constructive notice can be based on legal relationship also. The term legal notice is sometimes used interchangeably with constructive notice. The concept of notice is very critical to the integrity of legal proceeding. The due process requires that any legal action cannot be taken unless the requirement of notice and an opportunity to be heard are observed. Notice is also critical when somebody sues the state or local government. Many states and municipalities have notice of the provision of claim in their status and ordinances that states that before a lawsuit is started of notice of claim must be filled with a reasonable time, say 3 to 6 months. Notice is very important in ending a legal relationship, the relationship between the tenant and the landlord. Often many kinds of contracts require that a notice be given to either renew or end the contractual relationship. Notice is also doctrine of evidence that allow the court to recognize and accept the existence of a commonly known fact without the need to establish its existence by the admission of the evidence. The administrative proceeding used the term official notice to describe a doctrine similar to judicial notice. A notice can be an announcement, यानी noun, bulletin, circular, communication, disclosure, memorandum, message, notification, note, presentation, etc. Heed में alertness, attention, care, caution, cognization, consideration, guard, vigilance, visual, watchfulness, etc. Warning, admonition, caveat, forewarning, ultimatum, communication, etc. Giving formal warning, addressed a warning to convey knowledge, to disclose, divulge, forewarn, formally, advise, etc. Observe में acknowledge, ascertain, attend to be conscious, detect, distinguish, closely, examine, etc. You can increase the visual appeal of your notice by using bold letters, catchy slogans, striking word phrases, etc. The information on the notice should be clear, should not cause any misunderstanding or confusion. The notice should be catchy and appealing. It should immediately attract the attention of the reader. Notice is formal means of giving information and of communication. Basically, the purpose of a notice to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.